And now the speculation that is rife on the ground, it is Uttar Pradesh and who would get the top job there. Leading the race is the telecom minister, Manoj Sinha, who was seen earlier in the morning visiting different temples and perhaps seeking blessings for the larger role. He is, according to sources, been cleared by the Prime Minister's office and the RSS as well. The minister visited Kal Bhairav Temple and Sankat Mochan Temple this morning in Varanasi. Several other names are cropping up as well. You have Home Minister Rajnath Singh, UP BJP Chief Keshav Prasad Maurya, Gorakhpur MP Yogi Adityanath also in the fray. Though no official word on the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister yet, but a meeting with the legislators is slated for today. Now, we're also given to understand that the new Chief Minister will take oath tomorrow. So it will be by evening today that we're expecting the name for the UP Chief Minister to be announced. Well, it's interesting because insiders have claimed that Manoj Sinha seems to be the current favourite, although he himself has said that neither do I know about any race nor am I in any race yesterday. Today, though, he has said that I will follow the party High Command's order. Take a listen.
मनोज जी, लगभग बिल्कुल तय हो गया है आपका नाम?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। मैं शाम को जा रहा हूँ गाजीपुर, शाम को दिल्ली निकल।
लेकिन आप जिम्मेदारी उठाने के लिए तैयार हैं अगर मिलेगी तो?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ ही नहीं है। आप क्यों?
आप अभी भी आश्वस्त नहीं है लेके?
ना, मैं पार्टी का कार्यकर्ता हूँ। मेरे पास पहले से जिम्मेदारी है रेल और संचार की।
लेकिन नई जिम्मेदारी मिलेगी मुख्यमंत्री की तो लेंगे?
नहीं, कोई ऐसा सवाल नहीं।
All right, that's an exclusive interaction of India today with Manoj Sinha, the man who's said to be the top choice right now for the UP Chief Minister's post. No official word till now. Let me go across to my colleague Maushmi, who's getting us the inside details. So, Maushmi, seeking blessings from a temple for a larger role. Will it be Delhi to UP for Manoj Sinha? What are your inside sources telling you in the party?
Well, it's almost certain, Devina, that Manoj Sinha has got the green signal and he would be getting the Purvachal Express to Lucknow. Well, we can see that Pankaj Singh has reached the airport where he would be actually coming to a grand reception by workers, BJP workers here in the visuals. Pankaj Singh arriving for the grand finale. Today is the D-Day, 4 o'clock. The MLAs would be meeting at Lok Bhavan, and that's why at the airport there is a lot of buzz, lot of BJP workers here who are all set to welcome their MLAs who are coming from different parts of the state and even Delhi.
पहले तो आपको बधाई। क्या कुछ है मुख्यमंत्री को लेकर लोगों को निर्देश दिए गए, चर्चा हुई?
अब आज विधानमंडल दल की बैठक है। हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता दिल्ली से आएंगे, उन लोगों के सामने जो तय होगा।
कुछ ऐसी भी चर्चा है कि राजनाथ सिंह जी का भी नाम है, राजनाथ सिंह जी को
किसी के बारे में कहने के लिए मैं अधिकृत नहीं हूँ। अब जो हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता होंगे वो अपना तय करेंगे।
आपका भी मंत्री पद के लिए नाम बताया जा रहा है?
चलो कहीं नहीं, अभी तो पहले मुख्यमंत्री तय हो।
पंकज जी, सस्पेंस क्यों इतना बना हुआ मुख्यमंत्री के नाम पे? क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा है?
नहीं, अब समय आने पर पार्टी अभी जल्दी तय कर देगी।
Pankaj Singh, Devina, who has just arrived, and he might be a probable contender for a ministerial berth in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly. But clearly you can see a lot of garlands, lot of flowers and lot of workers buzzing around waiting for the leaders to arrive to a grand reception.
So, Noida MLA could be getting a cabinet berth, but what about the Ghazipur MP? Because that's where all the bets are on at the moment, Maushmi. Manoj Sinha, though not confirming, Pankaj Singh also keeping cards close to his chest, but 6 days on.
That's right, Devina, the Ghazipur MP is... That's right, Devina, the Ghazipur MP is a dark horse, and he is the one who was always considered a strong contender to the CM's post. But the BJP sources have now almost confirmed that it is Manoj Sinha who has actually won the Chief Minister's race.
Yes.
And it is nearly certain that he would be actually sitting on the throne of Lucknow. He is supposed to be a close confidant of Narendra Modi as well as Amit Shah. He headed the Chhatra Sangh of the Banaras Hindu University, belongs to Ghazipur, has been a close friend of Narendra Modi since the RSS days. So apparently Narendra Modi trusts him a lot, and
Yes.
his work has also been appreciated in the railway ministry.
Yes.
So there are many times that the Prime Minister has praised Manoj Sinha. So they're a real confidant of Amit Shah and Narendra Modi capturing the throne of Lucknow. Apparently Narendra Modi would be looking at 2019 when he places Manoj Sinha
and if that
in
is
charge
true,
of Uttar Pradesh.
Maushami, if when the official announcement comes in, he'll be the second minister making his way from Delhi to state politics, and many also saying that it is the Bhumihar caste that he belongs to. The caste neutral candidate is what the BJP top brass is keen in projecting in Uttar Pradesh to maintain its caste politics matrix that's given it 300 plus mandate as well. Thanks for joining us for the moment, Maushami. We'll come back to you through the day as well, getting some more breaking news.